Hello, crypto world. Monday, stock market just closed, and what I've been saying every day, I have to repeat. The S&P made a new all-time high. It's the first time it closed above 6,600. And the Nasdaq, tech-heavy Nasdaq, makes a new all-time high. Really remarkable how strong the equity market is, and there's nothing but, if you will, talk about the Fed, and it's no ambiguity they're going to cut rates. Literally 100% of the traders believe a cut of rates, and 5% believe that it will be a half of 1%, but 95% believe it'll be a quarter of 1%. We're all familiar with the phenomenon of sell the news, and we can't debate whether or not interest rate cut is built into the equity market. So it will be remarkable if it's not a sell the news event. It will be not a sell the news event only if Powell says something that suggests they're going to cut more than 3 times in 2025. And I'm jumping right over to crypto because interest rates were down today, the dollar was down, and crypto didn't rally as it normally does. But we do have to accept that in the case of Bitcoin, we were lower and we're not as bad off, if you will, because we're only down a quarter of 1%. Here's the chart. You can see here in the chart, this is an hourly chart, that Bitcoin traded as low as 114,500, and then it rallied up, but this is not a big rally. It's just not going down as much as the other cryptos are. I have to mention something that I, again, find very unusual. Look at the price of XRP. This week there's going to be an XRP ETF. Now, it's not structured like the traditional ones, but putting that aside, one would have thought that the anticipation of this ETF would take XRP up, and it would be at least above $3. It's really remarkable. Bottom line, now is a time to assess your own personal risk tolerance in your overall portfolio, in your crypto portfolio, and your holdings, because we have what is theoretically good news coming, and it's not helping the market, and we even have an ETF coming in the case of XRP, and it hasn't moved it yet. So now's the time to have stops in and consider your risk tolerance.